most impressive things about engaging on this journey with ROCC has been the energy and the ambition they've had to work with us in creating a single sovereign project team that they're fundamentally part of. That's delivered huge benefits through the course of the project. It's enabled us to make sure that we stayed within scope, and where we found areas where we need to expand the scope somewhat, they've worked with us to help us deliver the best solution in those environments. It's really important that your IT solution for repairs and maintenance has the ability to report on a single source of truth for the labour costs, the material cost and the subcontract costs that form part of the overall process. The appointment system was the starting point for us. It was really important that the contact centre had instant access to the available appointment slots for the trades teams that were going to be delivering the repairs. We wanted to get financial efficiency, we wanted to improve customer service, and we wanted to provide a consistent way of working across the new sovereign. The ROCC solution enabled us to have route optimisation in terms of scheduling and deploying resources, which meant the guys were spending more time on the job rather than travelling in the van. And we've seen some great benefits come out of this. We've seen financial benefits that are derived out of increasing the number of jobs completed per day by 18%. We've seen customer satisfaction increase slightly to 93.5%. And we've seen fixed first time increase by 13 points to 91%. We're expecting at least £590,000 a year in basic cashable savings as a result of this project. And this £590,000 a year will go a long way towards helping us in our aims and objectives to build more affordable homes for residents that are in real need for somewhere to live.